Hey cousins, hey. What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? This is a wet and wavy wig. How to make your glueless installs look as seamless as possible. There are steps that one must take. Do this. It will change your wig game, period. Look, y'all see that lip up? That's glueless, honey. You see that? Okay. You got to prove. No tape, no spray, no gel, none of that stuff. You can't just throw it on. Don't be ignorant glueless and then tell folk you got this because you be watching Mary Kay Bella. Don't you do that. Get that wig grip, especially if you like to shout or fight. Otherwise, it's coming off. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a slay today. Hey, hey. What's up, yes, what's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What's up, what's up, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I'm coming to you with the slay today. I'm doing something today that I have gotten a lot of questions about, and that is how to make your glueless installs look as seamless as possible. Because y'all know if I can get something glueless,
glueless it will be.
Do you hear me what I say? Alright, okay, alright. But you can't just throw it on. You know what I'm saying? You can't just throw it on. I know we be wanting to throw it on, but sometimes you can't throw it on. But there are steps that one must take in order to get the most flawless glueless install. Don't be ignorant glueless and then tell folk you got this because you be watching Mary Kay Bella. Don't you do that. So I'm going to be telling you some of the steps that I take to get a very seamless, flawless, glueless install. That means no tape, no spray, no gel, none of that stuff is needed, okay? And no baby hair needed. Because you know, baby hair is cute, but you know they're also very useful for covering up bad lace. We already know that, okay? I think people still think it's a secret, but people be saying that. Well, they know, so I don't even really think that baby hair is never keeping secrets and it's never telling lies, okay? It's over with. It's over with, okay? Now I know what you're thinking. Sis, I see you got 2 swoops right there. I do. I did that after the fact because I had to take pictures. I got to take pictures with everything, but you're going to see no baby hair. You're going to see. And this is just 2 swoops. This is just 2 swoops right here. And I'm going to show you something. Hold on. I'm going to sit up here and mess up my swoops, feeling the pressure. Look, y'all see that lip up? That's glueless, honey. Even the back, you see? And it just sat right back down. You see that? Okay. You got to prove that. This is a wet and wavy wig. As you can see, it's in its wavy, curly state, which means I have wet it down. I will show you what it looks like straight, which is when you receive the wig, this is what it will look like. Let me tell you about his hair. Then we're going to go through these steps. Then you're going to see the demo. Just stick with me, okay? I'm going to try to keep y'all attention the whole time. I'm going to try. But even if I don't, just stick with me because you love me. And that's what family do. You feel me? See how I got you? Now watch y'all sit up here and watch this whole video. Don't sit up here and leave and turn the video off. Now don't you do that. I'm trying to prove a point. We got to prove it together. This is from OMGqueen. Listen, if you're looking for something with to show enough lace, this is an invisible knot wig. They have already taken care of the foolishness that comes with lace, okay? The HD lace new clean hairline. Beautiful. Y'all will see when I put this wig on my head. It's like it was made for me. You know what I'm saying? It's like it was made for me.
It's all about me. Forget about you. That's what the wig's supposed to come at you like that. It's supposed to come at you like that.
And it came at me like that. It did. There's 6.5 inches of parting space. Y'all know how I feel about my parts. I don't want no little baby part. I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that's passe. If you like it, I love it. But for me, I like me a good old long ignorant on top of ignorant part. I like my part to go okay, when you get it, it will be a natural black. You can color the hair because it is virgin human hair. This is virgin Brazilian hair. It's 14 inches, 180% density. Check the description box. Okay, let me go through these 7 steps and then get y'all to the demo. Step 1, you gotta have the right lace. We talking seamless glueless installs, okay? If you want to up your glueless game, that's what we're talking about here, okay? Otherwise, you don't have to do any of this stuff. You just go for what you know, boo. Second step, have your wig grip. The best wig grip that I use probably 99% of the time, you're going glueless. So you need all the support that you can get. These wigs have combs on the side. I think this one has one up top here too, and it has it in the back. You take those combs and you slide them up under your wig grip, honey, and they will hold your wig
like a good relationship, okay?
Get that wig grip, especially if you like to shout or fight. Otherwise, it's coming off. This number 3 is optional. The elastic band. Get you a wig with a nice elastic band. The thing I like about these elastic bands is they do not cause headaches. For me, it is removable. It is adjustable, so you can get it to the exact level of snugtivity that you want. Number 4, you want to trim the lace as close as possible to the hairline. Like, my lace probably stopped maybe about right here, and I trimmed it to up there. I didn't need all that. 5, I always do this. This is the get you gotcha right here. This is the one. Do this. It will change your wig game, period. Cut the wig ear tabs and use your own natural ear tabs. Honey, when you start doing this, woo, you don't have to worry about the wig ear tabs lifting up over time. That alone will change the dynamic and the success of your unit. I'm telling you.
And the church say yes.
Okay, 6, use makeup around the hairline. Like if you like to deepen it up around this area, you know, just give it a little bit more blentivity. That's it, that's all. Number 7, you go in the hairline with a scalp-like color. So just say if you're going around with the foundation-like color around here, then right up and through here, that's lace. Go in with a lighter shade. And it kind of makes those front hairs a little bit less noticeable, which makes it a little bit more seamless. All these are seamless tricks. Yes, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna take some pictures, but this is so pretty. This is so pretty. And y'all practice this. Practice this so you don't always have to be adhese and stuff, okay? You don't always gotta adhese. We don't always want to adhese all the time, Chad. Let's get y'all to the demo. Boop.
Love should be easy. Why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved. But love ain't easy. You taught me that. I let you in, now you want out, now you want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand. Was it all worth it? You play me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So now I roll moving me. I've been thinking about you day and night. I can't get enough. Oh, nah. I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline. Your name is written all over my heart. I can't stop. Yeah, I wanna be the one to hold you close, 'cause you're the only one I'm dreaming of. My love, my love, my love, my love, my love. Tell me, do you feel the way I do? 'Cause I only wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. My love, my love, my love, I wanna ride with you. Yeah. My love, my love, my love. The things you do to me, I can't escape it. The air that I breathe even speaks of you. Yeah. Oh, I can't lie. I love the way you're messing with my mind. I can't get enough of my sweet Madeline. You're the reason why I'm waking up smiling. Oh, my sweet Madeline. Your name is written all over my heart. No, I can't stop. So I'm not giving you up, no, I give you all that I got. Oh, I confess with each beat of my heart. Oh, I'll be true. So I'm not giving you up, no, I'll give you all that I got. Oh, I confess with each beat of my heart. Oh, I promise you.